Hi everyone, I'm Angela. Welcome and welcome back to Angela's Fashion Mix and day number 10 of my 12 days of Christmas. I hope you've had a fantastic day and thank you for joining. If you are new, welcome to the channel and I hope you've had an opportunity to view the prior 9 days. So we are right here at the home stretch of the 12 days and I hope you've enjoyed the videos. Today's video is a few things and starting with a project I showed you a couple of months ago. I was working with a client on some closet reorganization. We finished up that. Also, I'm sharing a little bit of cooking, actual cooking this time. Last time I said cooking, it was actually baking. It's all in there, but today is cooking. So, all of my holiday clients have been done. I did not show you all of them, just a few, so that you kind of see what I do. But everyone has been decorated. If there's any more to do, it will be a surprise. Also, I want to share the cape that I wore today. And I found this a couple of months ago at TJ Maxx. It's by Anne Klein, and I thought it was a very nice cape. It has little leather detail here on it, and it has the latch closure there. And one of my favorite prints, but this time in red and black, but the houndstooth print is my favorite two-color print. So I was happy to find that and thought it is very appropriate for this time of year. So it can be great with jeans as well as I wore to church today. So a lot of opportunity from A to Z with regard to wearing a cape. So I thought I'd share that. And I believe it was about $35 at TJ Maxx. So I've seen some similar, maybe not the exact print, but you may be able to still find it if it's something that you're interested in. So I do hope you enjoy the video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. I definitely appreciate that always. I thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your night, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.